big bird, and with good reason. Down there is an unbelievable, impossible, a very big bird. Ah, it's such a big bird. It's Asia's big bird. Down there is the legendary big bird. But don't be frightened. This bird's a friendly big bird. Yes, I am Big Bird. They call me Big Bird. They've got good reason. Down there is the one and only Big Bird. Small bird, he's got a small bird. That be-doo-dee's bird. You would need a microscope to find his itty bitty tiny small bird. He's got a small bird on his secure bird. His little bird is terrified of Big Bird. But don't be frightened, 'cause this bird's a well-trained big bird. Now that guy Bogart, he's got a nice bird, a very good bird. But let me tell you guys, but I am the one and only, that one and only Big Bird. Yes, I am.